Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss first year mathematics B, second chapter, transformation of axes, class number 3. Yesterday what we discussed? Rotation of axis. What is the rotation of axis? The definition of rotation of axis is rotate the both axes. Rotate the both axes even. Rotate the both axes on equal angles. Rotate the both axes on equal angles without changing the position of the origin. Is called a rotation of axis. Already we know. So what is you know, sir? For example, sir, first one is old is x. This one is x. This one is y. Is rotated. Rotated means some forcing of theta is x dash. This one is same angle theta y dash. Here x comma y are old and x dash y dash are new. Already we know. The formula is here x dash y dash x y. Here is core. Now here cos theta minus sin theta cos theta formula. Already we know. Now what you want? I want the suppose for example once again I will repeat here x comma y are the old coordinates. X comma y are the old coordinates. X dash comma y dash are the new coordinates. I want x formula. Old x is equal formula. How to find? Old x means I cover the x box. I cover the x box means x box is cos theta minus sin theta. So I want x is equal x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. And also y is equal. I want y. Y means cover the y box. Yesterday already discussed. What is the y? Y is equal y box covered with x dash into sin theta, y dash into cos theta. X dash into sin theta plus y dash into cos theta. No sir, I want new sir. How to find new? New means x dash. I want x dash. X dash was covered the x dash box cover total. So x into cos theta plus y into sin theta. X into cos theta plus y into sin theta. Next I want y dash. What is the y dash formula? Y to cover the y dash total means x into sin theta plus y into cos theta. The formula x comma y are old, x comma y are old, x dash and y dash are the new. Write a problem. Let us find the coordinates of. Find the coordinates of. Find the coordinates of P 1, 2 with respect to new axis. With respect to new axis. Respect to new axis or rotated. Or rotated 30 degrees. Rotated 30 degrees. Once again I will repeat. You know old coordinates formula. We know new coordinates formula. According to the tabular form, I want x cover the x boxes. Reciprocal to x dash. I want x dash to cover the x dash box. The reciprocal to x comma y. Now what do you want? Find the coordinates of P. What is the P value? 1, 2 is given. Find with respect to new axis. With respect to new axis means you have to find new coordinates only. With respect to old, you are asking to find the old coordinates. But what you are asking? Solution is what you are asking. You are asking find the new coordinates. I want new coordinates. New coordinate means x dash y dash. What is given? Given that what is given? Theta is equal 30 is given. The point P is equal 1, 2 is given. 1, 2 means x comma y. Why are taking this x comma y? Finding new means given are old. Suppose finding old given are new. What are you asking? Asking the new axis. So we have to find new coordinates. New coordinates means x dash y dash. So given is x comma y only. What is the formula for x dash? X dash is equal to formula x into cos theta plus y into sin theta. What is the y formula? Y. What is y dash formula? Y dash formula is minus x into sin theta plus y into cos theta. Always you know. substitute values here. X means x value is 1 into cos theta. Cos theta means cos 30 plus what is the y value? Y value is 2. Remaining as sin 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 means 1 by 2. 2 is LCM. We get root 3 plus 1 is the new coordinate of x. Now what you want? You want y dash. Same are y dash is equal. What is the x? X is equal to minus 1 into sin 30. What is the y value? Y value is 2 into cos 30 minus of sin 30 value is 1 by 2. 2 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2. Again here denominator is 2. So LCM is 2. Now minus 1 plus 2 root 3 is the y dash coordinate. Once again I will repeat here. The concept is find the points. Which point? With respect to nu. With respect to nu means you have to find only nu. So given that is a world, suppose if you want the world, given is a new, but what he asking, this all is asking find the coordinates with respect to new. So find out the new coordinates. You know new coordinates formula. You know new coordinates formula. So given are old coordinate. Suppose they ask me is a world, find the world axis means these are x dash, these are y dash, t dash. The formula is x formula. X formula means x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Y means x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. Next problem. When axes are rotated, next problem. When axes are rotated through an angle 30, when axes are rotated angle 30 degrees, find new coordinates of following. New coordinates of following. How many problems are following? 3 problems. First problem is 0, 5. Second problem is minus 2, 4. Third one is origin 0, 0. Listen carefully. When axes are rotated to an angle, what is given? Given that theta is equal to 30. I know, sir. Next, what you ask me? Find the new. What you have to find? You have to find new. New means I want x dash y dash. You have to find what is the x dash y dash value. So remaining point is x comma y only. Suppose they ask me the world, these are x dash y dash. But here, what you asking? Asking a new. New means x y, x y, x y. What is the first problem? First problem is 0, 5 means x is the x1, this one is y. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. Why? Because old x, old y. It is given. What is the formula for x dash? X dash equal to formula already we know. X into cos theta plus y into sin theta. What is the formula for y dash? Y dash is equal to minus x into sin theta plus y into cos. Any doubt? Just only we want the new. So that's why writing is a new formula. New formula means x dash y dash. After substituting, we can substitute only 0, 5, 30. What is the x value? X value is 0. 0 into cos 30 plus what is the y value? 5 into sin 30. 0 something 0. 5 sin 30 value 1 by 2. What is x coordinate? X coordinate is 5 by 2. Similarly, y dash is equal. What is the y dash value? Minus 0 into sin 30. Why? Because x is equal to 0 plus y value. Y value is 5 into cos 30. Cos 30 means 5 into root 3 by 2. Therefore, answer is 5 root 3 by 2. Total answer is 5 by 2, 5 root 3 by 2. Simple, just only what you have to find? We have to find x dash y dash. So, given are x comma y only. Theta is already given. Similarly, second problem. I solve second problem. What second problem here? Same formula. You can do third problem. Now just I will explain only second problem. What is the x comma y here? X comma y is equal to minus 2 comma 4. This one there, this one there. Substitute x value is minus 2 cos 30. Y value is 4. 4 into sin 30. Any doubt? Just only substitution. X is equal to minus 2. Y is equal to 4. Similarly, here also x is equal to minus of minus plus 2 into sin 30 plus 4 into cos 30. What is the sin the cos 30 value? Minus 2 into root 3 by 2 plus 4 into 1 by 2. LCM is 2, that is equal to minus 2 root 3 plus 4. Here, what is the value here? 2 into sin 30 value is 1 by 2 plus 4 into cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. LCM is 2. So 2 plus 4 root 3. What is the solution? 2 plus 4. Similarly, same as the third problem. X value 0 values. Again we get only 0 comma 0 only. You can do third problem. Next problem. When axes are rotated, of 60 degrees, find the old coordinates, find the old coordinates of following. First problem is 3 comma 4. Second problem is minus 7 comma 2. Third one is 2 comma 0. What you want? You want the old coordinate. Given that what is given? Theta is equal to 60 is given. What you have to find old now. I want old. Old means x comma y value. I want x comma y means given is x dash y dash. What is the first problem? First problem here x dash comma y dash is equal to 3 comma 4. Previous problem these are x comma y. Why? Because they ask a new coordinates. Now present problem what he asking? He asking the old coordinates. Old coordinates means given or new. You have to find old. So given or new only. New means x dash y. What is the formula for old formula? X is equal to formula is x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta. Similarly, what is the y formula? Y formula is x dash sin theta plus y dash. Cut all formulas here only and board only to observe old points and new points. So I want old with old formula. What is the x dash value? X dash value is 3 into cos 60 minus y dash value is 4 into sin 60, that is equal to 3 into cos 60 means 1 by 2 minus 4 into sin 60 means root 3 by 2. LCM is 2. 3 minus 4 root 3. Similarly, y coordinates. What is the x dash value? X dash value is 3 into sin 30. Sin 30 means 1 by 2 sin 60. Theta value sin 60 is given plus y dash value is 4 into cos 60. Sin 60 value is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 value is 1 by 2. LCM is 2. 3 root 3 plus 4 is our solution. Just you have to find the second and third one problem. First one same. What you want? You want the old coordinates. So means you have to find the old means old formula given a new only. Go to next problem. 4 marks important. Most important. 4 marks. 4 marks problem, important problem. Okay. When origin is shifted to minus 2 comma 3, when origin is shifted to 2 comma 3, the transformed equation of curve, the transformed equation of curve is x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 17x minus 7y minus 11 equals 0. Then find original equation. Solution. Listen carefully here. What you are asking? Your previous problems are only asking find the old coordinates or new coordinates. I am asking here find the original equation. What you have to find? We have the original equation. So given equation is a new equation. There are two concepts. To understand in two ways. When origin is shifted to 2 comma 3. Origin is shifted to 2 comma 3 means shifted at always on x comma k. Indirectly what is given that? Given that shifted origin is h comma k is equal 2 comma 3. Again, what is given that is a transformed equation. What is given? Given is a transformed. So given equation transformed to new equation. What you have to find? You have to find old. Old means given is a new. In some cases, they don't give the equation of curve is only. Don't give the word of transformed. In this case, how to observe? Find the original. What you want? You want the original. You want the original. Means given is a new. What is the new equation? Given new equation is what is given new equation? X dash square plus 3x dash y dash minus 2y dash square 17x dash 7y dash minus 11 equals 0. Why? Because why are taking a dash? Dash is a new. That's why given equation is a new equation. Why? Because the transformed equation of curve this one. These are transformed. Transformed means new. Another concept you have to find is a old. I want old means given is a new. Suppose I want the new means given is a old. So what is the given equation? Is a x dash y dash new. X dash formula is what is formula for x dash? X dash is equal to x plus h. Y dash is equal to y plus k. New equation can satisfy only new parts. Old equation can satisfy only old parts. So given equation is a x dash y dash new. That's why new formula x dash is equal to what is formula? X is equal to x dash plus h. Y is equal to y dash plus k. What you want? You want x dash. X dash is equal to x minus h. Y dash is equal to formula y minus k. Any doubts? X dash equal to formula is x minus h. Y dash equal to formula is y minus k. X dash. Okay, what is x value? Is as it is. H value is minus 2. Y dash. Okay. What is the y value? Same. What is the k value? 3. Indirectly, h comma k value. Substitute new coordinate. What is new coordinate formula? X dash is equal to x minus h. X minus 2. Y dash is equal to y minus k. Y minus 3. Put in new equation. Substitute. What we will get? In place of x is equal to x minus 2. X dash is equal. Substitute here. X minus 2 whole square plus 3xy. 3 x dash means x dash is equal to x minus 2, y dash is equal y minus 3 plus minus 2 y dash square. Y dash square means y dash is equal to y minus 3 whole square plus 7 x dash means x minus 2 minus 7 y dash means y minus 3 minus 11 is equal to 0. Once again I will observe What you want? You want here x dash square means x minus 2 whole square. 3x dash y dash. 3x dash y dash. X dash y x minus 2, y dash y minus 3. X minus 2 into y minus 3. Minus 2 into y dash means y minus 3 whole square. Plus 17 into x dash means 17 of x minus 2. Minus 7 of y dash. Y dash means y minus 3. Minus 7 equals 0. And only general simplification. What we will get? Yeah, a square minus b square formula. X square, b square value is 4. 2ab means 4x. 3 of x into y, xy minus 3x minus 2y plus 6. Once again I will repeat here. A square plus b square minus 2ab. X into y, xy, x into minus 3, 3x minus 2y plus 6 minus 2 of. Here y minus b whole square, y minus 3 whole square means a minus b whole square formula. A square means y square. B square means 9, 2ab means 6y plus remaining part is 17x minus 34 minus 7y plus 21 minus 7 equals 0. Now simplification. Here x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 3xy minus 9x minus 6y plus 18 minus 2y square minus 18 plus 12y. Just only general multiplication. 3xy, 3 3 is 9, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 18 minus 2 into y square, 2y square minus 18 plus 12y plus 17x minus 34 minus 7y. 21 minus 7 plus 10 is equal 0. Just you have to simplification. What we will get? We get x square plus 3xy minus 2y square plus 4x minus y minus 2 equals 0 is the required solution. Y how many x squares are? X square okay, 3xy okay, 2y square okay. How many x here? Minus 4x. Again here minus 9x, 13x. 13 plus 4 means 4x. Here 4 minus 9, 13. 13 plus 17 is equal to plus 4 only. Y is how many y's here? Minus 6y. Here plus 12y. 12 plus here 6 comma 12 means again we get only minus 5. Constant value here. Here 18 plus 18, 18 get cancelled. So remaining 4 minus 2 is equal to 10. 18 get cancelled. So remaining value is only minus 2 is equal to 0 is the answer. Any doubts? Just only general simplifications. Next problem.